Good morning, guten Morgen, buenos dias, everybody. Today episode we gonna fix or attempt to fix idle control valve, and if you're Chevy or GMC, which is same crop, acting like, let me show you in a minute how it's acting too. Stay with me. So you saw already, right? Doesn't want to run at all. So first, what you have to do, so this is the idle control valve, and what these things do, way back before, we used to have manual choke, and that manual choke was it was manual actually. You have to, every time you start a car that was cold, what do you have to do? You have to pull the cable, and you'll be able to send to the manifold more air. So yeah, so what happened was, so you have to manually control these things, and you know, you start the engine, you pull the lever, and that's it. And after, you know, you warm up the engine, everything was running nice and smooth like a Swiss watch. So we got the engineers come up with the idea, okay, we're gonna just do electronic one. And this is how you can see, Chevy likes to fail very often. It's a common problem in the Chevy. Okay, we loosen up a little bit. Okay, I don't know how it's gonna be camera angle, but alright, so we got double there. We have careful. Because it's more. Make sure. Sweet over. I get a picture. I can see that wrist. Alright, you see? We got him. Then we got, oops, pull. That's it. We got, so that's the guy. That's the guy right here. And we got a replacement for it. Ta-da! Look at this. Brand new. Still virgin. Never used. So this is it. By the way, if anybody interested about part number, I think this is the part number 980005. Fits for many vehicle, and it fits in Chevy, Pontiac, and all this like 5.0, 6.0 engine environment, and whatever. So gotta squeeze this in, put this back. And now we can use, the same bolts. It was alright. There was nothing wrong with them. So we're gonna do some tricky part. Okay, so this is it. Let's just fit that. Fit. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, charm. Fits right in. Okay. Now, Lou is gonna tell you the trick. You see? You don't have to really. Okay. To make that, gotta pull the magnet a little bit. So you want to save yourself from losing bolts. You can always use magnet, and it's magnet is pretty strong, and then you see you can just twist, and it will work. All right, the second one, it's right on there. So I hope I'll fit this. It's a little bit tricky. Let me get my magic mirror. All right, so what we have to do, I'm just gonna put this one. We put the magic mirror somewhere. Have to see what we're doing, right? Haha! Look at this. No freaking. Okay, perfect. You know what I mean? But see, the mirror is a little bit too big. That's not what she said. But hold on, let me try. Let me try this way. If I'll be able to squeeze this in. Oh yeah, almost. Yep, she's in. So we leave it like that. For my YouTube friends, you see, she's almost in. And then try to don't move. Okay. Now we're turning clockwise. Alright, so we got one. And that's the second one. Nope. Almost lost it. Alright, so let's just do this line out. Oh, then not too much, don't. That's it. And there's another one over there. Another one will be a little more difficult, but it's okay. So he's somewhere right here. You just gotta go. All right. So, where's the light? Okay, better light. And then we can use our magic mirror. I mean, we don't need. We go by feeling over there. Okay. Be honest, those engineers can come up with a little bit better idea. Still will try to tie these things on. Oh no. Yeah. Couple more twists. Let's see. Ooh. Oh no. I just do the left hand, maybe it'll be easier. Loose can can get into the hole. What happened? Oh. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, it's pretty tight. Let's just double check. Oh no. Oh yeah. That's it. Just gonna plug this in back. Look at this. It fits. No problem. And let's see if this is gonna run. Oh, by the way, it comes with the Phillips screws right here. And the reason I'm not a big fan of the Phillips screws, because especially on this and originally Torx, it's by the way, you need two T15 to take that, and the GMC Savana. Maybe the engineers change, you know, the size and the different cars, but you know, this requires T15. And so the reason why I didn't use Phillips, because it would be hard to take them out and all the stuff. So okay, let's see. Let's start try to crank and see if it's run or not run, or a garbage, or we have to. Already, big freaking difference. And by the way, the engine was cold, really cold. So the engine was cold, and there was like choking. It couldn't start. So look at this. And now RPM's going down now. As soon as he gets warm up, it's going to drop down the RPM. So, yeah. So there was a quick fix. That's some noise on the idle. That's alright. So that was a quick fix. Thanks for watching. And I hope you liked that video. See ya!